Hey there, welcome back to my channel, windowpurchase.com. If this is your first time finding me on YouTube, you can go straight to windowpurchase.com and see over 200 educational videos. I've published 3 books on windows and doors since 2008. A couple of those are still on Amazon and Kindle. And I also have a consulting page, so if you need help beyond that, call me for consulting. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. This video is going to be rather short. It's just on a couple things to consider when you're doing a sliding patio door. And one of them is the overall opening. A lot of times when you replace, you're going to be restricted, a lot of times, because of budget. If you are wheelchair bound, or maybe for resale, a new person moving in might have wheelchair, you want to pay attention to the overall opening here, because you can see, even though this is a 6-foot patio door, when this is all the way open, you're not dealing with 3 feet here, you're dealing with much less. So if you're doing patio doors, especially new construction, I would completely stay away from a 5-foot sliding patio door. I would be doing minimum 6 foot, even better would be 8 foot. You can also go 10 foot. To my left here, even though you can't see it on camera, but it's another video I did, is a 10 foot, 2-panel, triple pane glass patio door. And those bigger openings are appealing for a lot of reasons. One is moving furniture in and out, whether you're handicapped or not. But imagine being handicapped and you have a wheelchair, and you can't even fit the wheelchair through the opening. You know, it's a major concern for a lot of my clients or people that call me with concerns. Another video I did was on ADA thresholds, American Disability Act, and that has to do with the type of threshold for the wheelchair to go over, and it's a lower profile. Most patio doors don't come with an ADA threshold. Sometimes you just put down like a little ramp or something to get up and over. But for this particular video purpose, we're just talking about the width. Whenever you can avoid it, don't do a 5-foot patio door, do a 6-foot, even better do an 8-foot, and even better than that, do a 10-foot. I actually have a client through one of the companies that I do indoors. They did a 14-foot wide, 7-foot tall, 2-panel patio door because he had a lake view in his house and a walkout basement, and he didn't want any obstructions. So there's a perfect example of